Hey everyone, welcome to your weekly Glam Guidance with Glam on Demand. Every Sunday, we launch a new episode that can help anyone learn a little more about the beauty business. This week's Glam Guidance episode is about cleaning your makeup brushes. So let's get started. All right, keep it real with me. How often do you clean your brushes? I would say that this is the first question that I ask any client that complains that they are constantly breaking out. If you aren't washing your makeup brushes, this could be your culprit. It is best to wash your makeup brushes once a week. Besides just the breakouts and skin reactions, the color that you are using might not end up true to shade as you intended due to color buildup on your bristles. If your brushes are shedding, this could also be a sign that they have reached the end of their life. They are bonded together by glue, and over time, that glue will break down if you are continually cleaning your brushes. Okay, so what do you clean them with? As always, I'm going to drop some links in the caption section below so that you can see some of my favorites. First, we want to avoid using something harsh, like dish soap or using plain soap and water. This can dry out the bristles of the brush and deteriorate them a lot faster. You're going to want to fill a bowl of lukewarm water and a tablespoon of either gentle shampoo or clarifying shampoo. Think Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo or something similar. Massage each of those brushes in the palm of your hand for a good lather. Rinse them until there is no more soap. Squeeze the excess water out of the bristles and lay them on a flat surface overnight to dry. The bristles are glued down into the handle, so this might take a while. If you don't have time for a deep clean, there are some quick sanitizing cleaners to use when you're in a bind. However, if you're a makeup artist, the best practice is to use a completely separate brush set per client and then deep wash when you are finished for the day. What is your favorite way to clean your brushes? Let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.